Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to disable notification on TokenPocket. To disable notification on TokenPocket, open up the TokenPocket application and make sure that you're inside the main asset page. Once you're in the main home page, click on the Me button at the bottom right hand corner, and then from the Me menu, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Notifications, and inside the Notification option, go ahead and toggle off the button right next to Allow Notification. Now it will take you to your device's settings, from where you need to tap Notifications again and toggle off the button right next to Allow Notification, and then get back to TokenPocket wallet. And you will be able to disable your notification from your app. You will not receive any notification from the platform whatsoever after you turn off this setting. So that's how you easily disable notifications on TokenPocket. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.